Good morning and welcome to Matt's Garage. Another update on the shed project. I've had a lot of progress in the past week. I know it's been a little while since I posted, but we've had really nice weather. I've just been working on the shed every chance I can get. So the main things, of course, is that the PVC trim is 100% complete. All of the bird boxes, all of the trim along the sidewalls is done. And as you can see, I've made good progress on the siding. So I'm using the HardiePlank siding. I think it's called their HZ5. I think the 5 stands for 5/16. These are the 6¼ inch pieces, so they give you a 5-inch reveal. And as you can see, it's nice and level. I've been using the gecko gauges. If you don't know what those are, just look up gecko as in the lizard, gecko gauges. It turns out they are great. They really help on getting your next course, nice and straight and level. I do, of course, throw a level on each course just very quickly to make sure that it's in good shape. But I'll walk you around a little bit here. I don't want you to get too dizzy. What I did was for the most part, did all of the straight pieces, and I'm saving the cuts for last. In fact, right here is one of my first cuts around the window. I was going to do a single piece with the notch cut out of it, and I tried to do that. And then as I was moving the piece, of course, it snapped right at the right here, basically. So I was actually able to preserve the piece here. So there'll be a little butt joint here, and I'll do some face nailing right here. The Hardie is really easy to install. I recommend it. You can see over here. Again, I went right up to the point where I have to start making some cuts. The cuts around the bird boxes will be a little complicated, but not too bad. And here I'm virtually done. I just need to do a little piece up top, and again that will be face nailed. I might as well come all the way around here. You can see my backyard is quite the construction zone. Today's going to be the last day that I get to do any meaningful work. We're supposed to get 5 to 8 inches of snow tomorrow in the Boston area. So that's going to slow things down. And what that also means is that I will have to rig up before the end of the day some sort of temporary door to keep the snow out of the shed. I've got plenty of scrap plywood, so I'll do something to keep that safe and clear. And I'll also have to get the snowblower out. I think I'll temporarily pull it out and put it in the garage facing forward, which is something I do from time to time. Anyway, once the shed is 100% functional, and I have a little ramp here, I'm going to pour a small concrete ramp right here. Then, on snow days, it will be trudge out to the shed, which is not a very far trudge, fire it up, and just push it out. I'll actually plow 20 feet of the lawn before I get over to the patio and the driveway, and that'll be fine. So really good progress. I mean, we're very close to the end of the construction project. Once all the siding is done, I'll fashion a proper door. I think I mentioned I'm going to do sort of barn door style. I already have the hinges. In fact, tomorrow when it's snowing, I might be in the garage building a door for all I know. So very happy so far with the progress. No issues. Hope you've learned something about this, and apologies that I don't really have the ability to do hands-on how-to videos on a project like this. I don't have a videographer, it's just me. But hope you're enjoying it. Please continue to like and subscribe, and use your favorite power tool to hit that notification button so that you get informed of the next videos. And we'll see you next time.